Hello and good day, welcome to Stiegelmeier. I would like to introduce you today the Avaria 3, our newest hospital bed. Let me briefly show you all the functions, or mainly all functions that it has. We start with the brake pedal. We have this brake pedal and we have three positions. This position means that all casters are locked. The second one, this one, the middle position, is that all casters can be moved in every direction. So if you would like to move the bed from the side, no problem, it can be used anywhere. And if you are going to move long distances, we have the third position, this one, and then we have a steering caster. This is the caster with the yellow ring, this one. Up to the moment it's activated, it's very easy for a nurse to move the bed with one hand. You can move it very easily, everywhere. So in this case, maneuvering of the bed is not very easy done. And of course, finally can be locked again. This regarding the brake system. Then we have the side rails. Here the side rails, it's with a soft lowering. It's very easy to get in and to lower the side rails. And of course, one hand or two hands, very fast operating. Stability of the side rails is also very durable. We took very good care in developing the side rails with a polyethylene material, which is very long-lasting, durable, and has a very soft surface. So good for the handling for the nurses. Then, after the side rails, I would like to introduce you the electric adjustments. We have three different possibilities to adjust and operate the motors. One is the integrated control panel. From outside you see the panel available and usable for the nurses. Inside you see the control panel for the patient, which he can use and he can choose by himself. Just in choosing the functions, you see the green light. This is what I would like to operate. Then I just push the button and then automatically the side rail will work. If I would like to choose another function, I can switch from here. So this is running in a circle. Or if I don't like this, I can choose directly. And then I can move or lower the function. This is the possibility to use the functions: tie rest, the sitting position, high and low adjustment, and the backrest, which we can adjust from the patient side, from the inside of the side rails. From the outside, we have additional functions because it's for the nurse level. That means that these are emergency positions we can adjust. One is CPR. If you push both buttons, then automatically the CPR function will be adjusted. You see, automatically the illumination will be start when we start to push. Additionally, we have the possibility, for example, to make pre-selected angle degrees, for example 30 degrees. And pushing these ones, automatically in the display will shown and displayed when we reach the position of 30 degrees will be displayed there. And additionally this one. Of course, all adjustments what the patient can do can be switched also from this side, from the nurse level also. Even the programmed backrest positions, the angles. Of course, if we have this one, we can go a step further and we adjust more. Then we see if we reach 45 degrees, we can go further, 60 degrees and until 70 degrees. This is the maximum angle that we can reach with the backrest. Then we have not only the CPR and the pre-selected angle degrees, but we have also the CPR function in this menu, but also the Trendelenburg positioning. We have the anti or reverse Trendelenburg. Then we have a possibility to program a safety stop for the backrest. For example, for special illness cases, we need to limit the backrest adjustments, for example, until 30 degrees. Then it can be set by the nurse. And we have the possibility lock or unlock different functions. So we can lock or unlock the functions or release. Up to the moment, let's say we have, let's say I would like to lock the backrest. Yeah, backrest this one. And the patient would like to now to set the, so we can go back, this is now the patient level. And the patient would like to adjust now the backrest. Let me go the other side, maybe, I don't know, is it possible for you? Maybe you can look from here. And I would like to move now the backrest, which is locked. And I try to push it, then you see a yellow light. Yellow light means it's locked, it's not possible. So it automatically switches to the next available adjustment. It's also not possible because the backrest belongs to the sitting position. So these positions are locked, no? And the other two positions are available. Even I can switch from one only to these two parts, which I can adjust. This is automatically possible. Of course, these panels, when I go back, yeah, sorry, we have to go to the nurse level. And then I go back to this one, I release it. And now we can go back to this level, and then, of course, it's, think it's a, no? We can go back to with the backrest. Additionally, we have a third level, which is a technical level. It is a special combination of, maybe you realized always when I reach the degree shortly, then the green light is switching on. Then we know that we have reached with that position automatically 15 degrees. Okay, and then we go slower. A second possibility with the same principle we have with the LCD handset. LCD handset is optional available, and this is the same principle. We have only a whip combination about that we can choose the positions that we would like to adjust. And if we adjust this, for example, then we operate in pushing the button. And even here you will see, if we reach 15 degrees, automatically it shows 15 degrees is reached, even with the handset. It's no problem. And here, with that handset, we have also the same possibilities as with the integrated control unit. That means we have here the orange button. Outside, on this, we can switch to the second level, the nurse level, and we can set the CPR function, Trendelenburg positioning, and the reverse Trendelenburg, the backrest limitation, the locking, unlocking of the positions. Everything can be done, even the washable position can be adjusted from this side. So you can adjust, this is again the Trendelenburg function. So this is also possible after 3 seconds not using, it switches automatically back to the first level, to the patient level. And this hand control has also a possibility, a location under the platform. Of course, if you choose only this LED, we have the possibility here on the top to place a holder for the hand control, where we can lock on the holder for the hand control, that the patient easily in every position can use. For example, when it's locked here, even on the mattress, it's looking over the mattress, the patient can always reach the hand control, which is a disadvantage with integrated control units. When you lower the side rails, the patient is not able to control the functions anymore with lowered side rails. But with that, of course, it is always possible. One thing, then the next thing is the control unit at the foot end. We call it nurse control. I can take it out also, no problem. So, the nurse control at the foot end is additionally possibility for the nurse to lock or unlock the functions. We have the same possibilities as with the integrated control unit. Yes, it's a 2-finger principle. That means you have to press one finger here and a second finger to operate. For example, the backrest. Of course, you can also lock and unlock. So you press this finger and press this one. This one in the middle. Then it's automatic locked. To release it, I pushed it once again, and then you see the ring button is unlocked. And of course, with the 2-finger principle, you have the possibility with the CPR or Trendelenburg. You see, it's running also very fast to reach this position as fast as possible. So all settings, adjustments can be done. Additionally, you have here battery LED that shows you that the battery, when this LED is switching on, an orange light, you see that the battery, the accumulator will be charged. So in this case, if we get the uppest position, for example, we can move this one. And of course you can take it in your hand when you like, or you can leave it in the linen holder. Yeah. It's also a very nice design. The next one I would like to show you is the head and foot boards, and of course the bed extension. So once in here, the integrated linen holder is also there, so you can put the bedding on when you need to prepare the mattress, and of course everything is properly integrated. Then we have the bed extension, intuitive, extendable. There's another part, platform part, which you can put on with integrated foam, with a mattress part, which can be connected with 28 centimeter more extension for the bed length, and easily to store. Then we have the possibility to take off the head and foot boards. There's a possibility here to lock and unlock. So before we take off, we just have to unlock, also the other side, and then easily I can take it off from here. Zack. That's it. It's very light. It's it's very light. This is also polyethylene head and foot boards, but also very durable. The second, next thing I would like to show you, with Stiegelmeier plate. Next thing I would like to show you is the CPR functions. As you maybe already realized, we have the CPR electronic adjustable, but we have also a mechanical CPR. And for this case, I would like to show you the backrest. For example, I would like to adjust the backrest. You see also the surface. This is polypropylene, the material. You can even take off the parts, the plastic parts for servicing or for disinfection. But if you put this bed in an automatic reprocessing machine, washing machine, you can keep the bed like it is. There's nothing to be changed or to be covered. And this polypropylene is also very durable and long lasting. And additionally, we have, I switch it up the backrest that you have a better look. So let's see, I will put on the backrest. Now we can see very good cable management. This is the control unit. Under the control unit is the accumulator. It's connected. There's a very easy access to the control units with the plugs. And you see a very proper and easy cable management. Additionally, you see, you can have a look under the mattress base. And you see here the CPR lever, which is located and very easy to see, located at the head end. And if you would like to make the CPR function, so it's very easy, the best way to operate them. And finally, maybe we can have a look under the bed and for the undercarriage, which is very proper. There's no cabling under the carriage, maybe a handicap for a lifter. Everything is, the cable management is very, very proper. And so for the daily use, there's no possibility to scratch or to destroy or stress any cables. Especially, for example, if you have only integrated hand controls, control units, then even you have not the cable for the hand control. And this will be also the way. And I don't know if this is also equipped with underbed light. I think here we don't have it. We can. No, I think it's not under. If it's shown the underbed light, we have the opportunity to switch on or off. No, it's not here. So if there's an underbed light, we can switch this light on and off. Or we can combine it with an out-of-bed alarm. So we have also electronic opportunities to add some more electronic features, like out-of-bed alarm, for example. Thank you so very much for your audience and for your attention.